Alright guys, today we're back in the garage, but we're not working on a 1985 Yamaha Tri-Z. Today we are working on my 2001 Toyota Tacoma mini truck. So here's what we're working on today. This is my 2001 Toyota Tacoma. 2-wheel drive, 5-lug, lifted off-road pickup. So it's seen better days. This truck has over 240,000 miles on it, and it's definitely been beat around. But the reason we're in the shop today is because the wheel bearing's been having problems, and it's partially because the wheel bearing seized up on this truck. It fried the spindle, and ever since that happened, it has been chewing up wheel bearings left and right because the spindle's all scored up. So, okay, so this is what I got for the Toyota pickup. Got a brand new, to me, junkyard hub because the old hub was all chewed up. Basically, the bearing race spun in here and it chewed up the hub pretty bad. So I got another one out of a junkyard, and this one's in pretty good shape, so I'll be using that for sure. This is a brand new fabtech 3-inch lip spindle, and the reason I got this is because this surface right here got damaged. Actually, the old wheel bearing got so hot it welded the bearing race to the inside here, and this surface back here where the seal rides was damaged as well, so that's going on. And then we got a brand new brake rotor for this job, along with miscellaneous bearings. So we got inner, outer wheel bearing. So it should be good. Gotta get it pretty easy. So first step to any job like this, get a jack. Stick the jack under there. I'm just gonna stick it right in the middle of the cross member, just behind the oil pan. And before I get too far up with this jack, I'm going to go ahead and loosen up those lug nuts while the tire's still on the ground. So I'm just going to leave the jack right in there like that. Okay, so here I am underneath the truck, and you can start to get an idea for how serious this actually is. So the ball joint over here has got a lot of play in it, but also, if you look at it, we do have a lot of lateral play in our rotor here. So that's going to be caused because the wheel bearings are shot. So next thing to do would be to unbolt the brake caliper, move that up out of the way, hang it up, and yeah, so let's get on that. Okay, so next thing I need to do is remove these pins. See if I can't get this out. There we go. Okay, so we got 2 more bolts down here, and I should be able to take this whole knuckle off. Caliper and all, we're not using this for at any point later. All these parts are toast. Man, that's on there tight. Good thing I got this breaker bar. There we go. Okay, so got this off, got up on the bench, and there's some roughness in here, and there's definitely a bit of a wobble. Not good for going on the freeway, that's for sure. So I've got all this stuff. We're going to go ahead and start digging into this and putting this all together. We're going to start with this hub right here. So let's get that going. Boom. There we go. Little heater works pretty good for this job. There we go. Dropped all the way in there. Give that a second. Alright, just let that cool off and should be good. Got that one in smooth, this one didn't really want to go in. Okay, so after spending a lengthy amount of time letting this cool off, I'm going to go ahead and install it on our brake rotor. Alright, so here I am back underneath the Toyota beater. And just gonna go ahead, pull that off. Gonna slide this up in there. There we go. Okay, so got it out here. We're doing a little bit of a test drive. There's still a little bit of a wobble in the steering, as you can probably tell, but it is way better, way better. I think replace that ball joint or the steering knuckle, and probably have this pretty much sorted out to where it's not a spooky ride anymore. Alignment's out a little bit, but that's to be expected. We swapped out some parts. Get this going pretty good here. Oh yeah, that track's way better. Sure, alignment's out, but we're not having like super crazy spooky steering wobbles going down the road here. Look at that, there's like a little bit of play in the steering wheel, but that's not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and start heading back to the house. But if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more projects with this 2001 Toyota pickup, beater truck, 5-lug, whatever it is, you know, put something in the comments below. Make some suggestions. Maybe I'll do it, maybe I won't. Probably take this pickup out 4-wheeling at some point. It's not a 4-wheel drive, but it still works pretty good off-road. See, this looks like a good spot for a quick turnaround. Woo! All right, on the road home again. Oh my god, that's wild. Dude, initial D stuff right there. Oh man. Alright, well I'll catch you guys next time. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.